We will show how to use AI to create an Angular/Kendui application with AppGen. First, we create a new application. We give it an ID, MED, for medical application. AppGen creates multilingual applications. English language is added by default, so we will add two more languages, Arabic and German. We open AI screen to describe the application. We will state that the application is based on patients, doctors, appointments, and prescriptions. Then we press Submit. What happened in background is that a request goes to AI to get the tables of those entities, then another request to get the parent-child relationship between those tables. The information are used by AppGen to create the required forms, grids, and master detail screens. It also understands the relation between tables, lookups for fields, and data types. As components are created, menu entries are added, and also charts, reports, and rules. After those steps are completed, we get sample data and insert them into the tables. Let us take a look at one of the created forms. This is appointment form. Top part is to edit the field's layout. Right part is to edit the field's properties. Lower part is to preview the component. Preview is a running application, so you can perform add, update, delete. Let us check the generated application. We first log in, and the menu will show the medical application, which have appointments/prescription screen. This screen has appointments as master form and prescriptions as detail grid. When an appointment is retrieved, its related prescriptions are retrieved based on the join between the tables. Another screen is doctors and their appointments. When adding a new appointment, child grid automatically populate the parent doctor ID and retrieves his name. Also, patient ID displays the patient name, which is a required field. AppGen allows to query on any field in the form or the grid. The generated application currently has English prompts, so we will enable translation for the components and regenerate all the components. If we log in again and select another language, we can see that the new prompts are all generated. AppGen also generates reports and charts that can be modified. Also, a dashboard. We will modify the dashboard and add a second chart as a pie chart. Themes are also customizable for all users, and each user can select his default theme. Going back to AppGen. Let us create another application, but we will describe in more detail. We give the new application an ID, WL, for wildlife. We then open AI screen to describe the application, and we will describe it in more details. Then press Submit. The same process will take place of creating tables, relations, master detail, and sample data. If we log in, we see another application, Wildlife. There is Observer Observation screen, Comments on Observation screen, and Species Observation screen. All table relations are used to create lookups, and proper add, update, delete functionality. That was a quick overview of AppGen, but AppGen has much more functionality to allow the user to modify tables, add fields, add TypeScript code per trigger, Deploy on application server, and access source code from GitHub. Thank you.